Take you to appreciate traditional Chinese culture. Dragon Boat Festival. In memory of a Chinese historical figure, Yuan. His patriotic feelings have been passed down by people throughout the ages. A grand event is held on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month in China every year. Among them, dragon boat racing and eating zongxi are the most famous. Let's enjoy the wonderful dragon boat race together. Another custom of the Dragon Boat Festival is to make zongxi and handmugwort. On this day, every household makes zongxi of various flavors. Soft, glutinous, and delicious. Handmugwort on the gate to convey good wishes. Which other Chinese cultures do you want to know about? Please tell me in the comment section.
20 years of HVAC grillies, mass production, consistent quality.